sharing and giving you the idea about the RainBNB, the next gen, game-changing platform. What RainBNB is? RainBNB, guys, as I told you, it's a community building platform based on OPBNB. But first, let's talk about who doesn't want to be successful in life. The million-dollar question is that no one wants to fail in life. Everyone wants to succeed in life. But in spite of all these things, what we really want in our lives, we don't get what we really deserve and desire for. A lot of people fail in life, 97% almost in the whole world. They remain average, mediocre. They don't want to reach there because they just wish for things to happen, which is not going to get them anywhere. And, that is the pity part, most worrying part for all of us. And the reasons for people's failure, 97% people, they do remain average, mediocre because, they don't have the burning desire to succeed. They fail to, believe the right opportunity system when it is being presented, offered by their near dear ones, because those systems, they don't trust as they seem to be not so transparent for them. And, because of the lack of genuinity and legality aspect, they also are having doubt, fear, dubious intention to be, betrayed, cheated, scammed. Because of all these reasons, people are afraid of these days becoming a part of this kind of system, because a lot of people have really become, the victim for all these similar looking platform, which RainBNB is of course not all about. Now, the developer and creator of RainBNB have found a solution. They are just giving people not only the space, but also the wisdom to, study, research, and a freedom also to look into this concept. And they can start with very, very low startup cost, $3, which is nothing. Even if you don't succeed in this platform, God forbid, still you are going to be very, very successful in terms of financial aspect, because this platform is never ever going to give you any financial losses provided you follow the code of law of this contract. Okay, so what exactly is RainBNB, the next gen system? It's an community building platform and based on OPBNB blockchain, which has been made by the people, for the people, and of the people. That's the theme here. And the basic objective and purpose is to empower the communities across the world and revolutionizing their future by offering them to be a part of this system. So RainBNB, as I told you guys, started on 7th August 2024. It has been started by a team of specialists and experts, people who are having expertise and a lot of knowledge, information in the domain of blockchain, AI, smart contract, web development, and they have decided to create a community building system so that they can offer them later on so many other projects and services based on definitely on blockchain system, because blockchain is going to be the future. And I'm going to use the three different terms here. The first one is the blockchain, the second one is the smart contract, the third one is the cryptocurrency. And I'll be going to give you a little overview also so that you should not be, confused what these are all about if you are not having a knowledge and information about the same. Now, let's talk about the evolution of currencies. Guys, we all know that in older times, ancient times, we used to, have this barter system. And then came the commodity money, like in the form of gold, silver. Then came the, fiat currencies, paper notes. Then came, plastic money in the form of credit card, debit cards. And then from bartering system, we have seen the banking system, which is still running very well across the world. And now we have entered, into the era of Bitcoin system, which is nothing but a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is said to be the future of money, future of wealth. And a lot of people who are having the knowledge about the blockchain and cryptocurrency, they do believe strongly into this. But a lot of people, they don't have the much knowledge about these things. So just to make them understand what the blockchain, smart contract, and cryptocurrencies. So let's have a look about that. So first of all, the blockchain. Blockchain, guys, is nothing but the network division of internet, the most advanced Web 3.0 internet system which cannot be hacked, which is very, very transparent. And since the transparency is there on the blockchain system, it is called the trustless system, because you don't have to trust the blockchain, because it is going to show you each and every aspect. And when everything is there on the blockchain ledger for public to see, read, visualize, which cannot be altered, modified. So that's why people have the full faith and trust into the system. And as per the web developer and the blockchain specialist, in time to come, maybe next 5 to 10 years, the whole world is going to be shifted onto blockchain network. Each and every activities what we have been doing, it's going to be on blockchain, because this is the demand from the people, because they want the trust and transparency to be included in each and every aspect of their lives. Okay, so this is what. Now, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is basically a digital agreement that gets operated, executed on the blockchain network. In fact, the developer and creators writes this smart contract, mentioning all the possible things through coded and programmed languages. And it is basically a contract digital agreement between the developer and the platform users and community members. So whatever the developer wants this smart contract to act and do for its platform users and community members, it's all the informations are being fed into it. Okay. And when this smart contract is made to be deployed on blockchain network, the good developer, the creator, always ensure that it should be the immutable contract, firstly. Secondly, they renounce their ownership right and control, and it is going to be a fully decentralized system. These three new terms also we are going to learn today. Okay, so RainBNB DEC next gen community building platform is fully decentralized. And what I really mean by saying this fully decentralized, there is no central authority, guys, here to control the system. Okay, the operation is conducted through the blockchain autonomously. Secondly, the ownership has been renounced, okay, for this smart contract. What does it mean by this? There is no authority, there is no control, right, and monitoring from the developer and creator side as far as this smart contract is concerned. In fact, the community members are the co-creators, co-owners. The power to operate this system goes into the hands of community. Thirdly, the codes are immutable here about this smart contract. This is the biggest advantage. A lot of smart contracts you can see running across the world, neither they are decentralized fully, nor they are ownership free, nor they have immutable coding programs. And because of all these because of all these negative aspect from the users and community members point of view, these kind of contracts always going to give people a nightmare in time to come, because they are going to be scammed working or being a part of such kind of smart contract, which RainBNB is not at all, because the three features which I've shared with you is already there in RainBNB. Okay, so this is the policy and protocol used to develop this smart contract of RainBNB. Now, coming back, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is the virtual digital currency assets, which is in big demand, because this is said to be the future of money. It doesn't require a third-party intermediary to send and receive this payment in the form of cryptocurrency or crypto coin. Okay, Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency that was, discovered and invented in the year 2009. And since then, a lot of coins, tokens have really come up. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the BNB, the Binance coin, these are the three top coins in the domain of cryptocurrencies that are really ruling the world in terms of their market caps and the people's what should I say? I'm not finding the exact, but people's interest in these kind of cryptocurrencies. So decentralized smart contracts, blockchain, and cryptocurrency. What RainBNB is all about here, to create a community just to empower them through the global reach by offering them different kind of systems based on blockchain. So empowering community are the basic motto initially at this point of time from the RainBNB's creator side. And as I have already shared with you, RainBNB, the next gen system, which was earlier called 2.0 version, is decentralized, autonomously working, blockchain driven community building system based on Binance ecosystem. This is really interesting to know. Now, what is Binance ecosystem? Guys, actually, Binance is the largest ecosystem working in the field of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. It has got its own largest crypto exchange, spreading across different parts of the world. Secondly, it has got its own several blockchain network also. I know initially they started Binance Beacon, the blockchain network. Then they created BEP2 blockchain network, then followed by Binance Smart Chain, which is commonly known as BEP20 network. And now in 2023, they have made a new blockchain network, which is in fact a layer 2 blockchain network under Binance Smart Chain, which is called OPBNB, which is very, very, scalable. It has got the lightning speed, 10,000 transactions per second this blockchain network can process. And the third thing is that Binance has got its own crypto coin also, which is its native coin and governance coin, and which is used as a payment system also for a coin to be used in the transaction fee payment as well. So Binance ecosystem on which the RainBNB platform is totally based. And Binance in most countries, it's a legal entity to somewhat or other. And one more thing I would like to add, ladies and gentlemen, like cryptocurrencies, blockchain-based systems are still in a very early nascent stage. So a lot of countries, their governments, the authority are still trying to evaluate how to make rules, regulations, protocols, norms on these kind of system to make it a smooth transition, governance, and so that the people should not be betrayed, duped, and cheated and scammed. What a lot of people had really, have done as far as through cryptocurrencies, through forex market, on pretext of multi-level system, Ponzi pyramid scheme, they have launched and they have looted people's hard-earned funds and money in last 10-15 years. So it's still in a nascent stage. But one thing I would like to share with you here, that RainBNB is the only platform which is not only legal, which is ethical also, and it has got no risk liability in whatsoever manner for anyone involved in the system. Okay, moving forward, the OPBNB blockchain, as I have already shared with you, it's a layer 2 blockchain of Binance Smart Chain. It has got the speed and scalability. It supports all kind of DeFi, decentralized finances, and DApps, also decentralized applications. The good thing about OPBNB blockchain is that the gas fee consumption on this network is very, very low, almost negligible, almost nil, as compared to the other blockchain network wherein other smart contracts have been deployed and they operated for some time, but because of the abnormal amount of gas fee uses at a later stage, the smart contract found very hard to operate its system in long run, and they could not continue because users did not start entering into those kind of system. They refused. Good thing about RainBNB is that every single transaction is really going to cost users 0.00002 dollar, which is nothing, peanuts. So this is that kind of system that will have sustainability, longevity, and it is said to be a long-term system. When people are going to ask you how long the system is going to run, you can say very, very emphatically, as long as the internet system will be there, the blockchain is going to continue. And a smart contract like RainBNB, which is fully decentralized, 100% ownership free, immutable codings have been made. So definitely it's going to sustain as long as the blockchain is going to stay and the internet is going to work on the system. Now, one big question comes here, why the BNB coin has been, kept here as a payment system to reward the community members. That's really an interesting aspect of this platform, because a lot of smart contract creators, developer, they make their own coins and tokens to pay the community members. And this is where the problem is all about, because those coins have no intrinsic value. They can be pumped and dumped at the creators and owners' discretion. And secondly, they create FOMO to lure and entice the community members so that they can really, out of the greed, buy those coins, hold them, and by the time comes for those normal average people to make profits, before that only the developer creators liquidate those coins and they sell those things and get the big profits, and they dump the whole system. But here in RainBNB, we are getting paid in Binance coin. In fact, the whale is the term that is being used for the bigger investor and financial institution. Those whale also could not move the BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum price to such an extent that the people can really lose their own money. These are very, very stable coins, but they do fluctuate, but the fluctuation is really marginal. But definitely if there is something, then they act as a volatile product also. So still BNB is very, very stable coin, and it has got the multi-usability in the space of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. And as per the crypto experts, it is still at the very rock bottom price, around $700. It's a nothing considering its utility. So crypto experts are very bullish about RainBNB's payment system called Binance Coin. BNB is set to hit in next 1 to 2 years the price between $3,000 to $7,000. In fact, some crypto experts have been saying it might touch $10,000 also. So if you are here going to earn BNBs, you can imagine how many times you are going to multiply your wealth. If you earn 100, 200, 500,000, 5,000 BNB in due course of time, definitely you're going to be multi-millionaire from the system. So this is really an amazing concept. And we are getting paid in BNB, not in any Tom, Harry, Jack coin, which has no intrinsic value and that can be dumped, and you are going to lose your hard-earned money. And the biggest advantage is the USP of this platform. Let's summarize, ladies and gentlemen, what I have shared with you. The good thing about RainBNB is this is the first platform in the history of smart contract which is 100% decentralized, working on a blockchain network autonomously, automatically. It has got no ownership control. The ownership is going to be renounced soon here for the new contract. Absolute trust and transparency being based on blockchain thing. It has got the unmodifiable and all unalterable immutable coding. So no risk and fear to lose out any money. Your account ID cannot be suspended, terminated. You don't have to ask for your profits, rewards. Rather, it is being dispersed by the smart contract to the tune of 100% instantly to all the community members. That's a good thing about this. Your withdrawal cannot be held here. You can work globally. You can work flexibly, remotely. You don't have to go out into any office to do this work. Your home, your laptop, your mobile, your computer, your car, your office, or wherever you are, that's your office. We are living in a virtual era now. Metaverse is going to really impact this world, and RainBNB just started. It is thus the beginning that you can work from anywhere and you can work globally. It's a risk and liability free program, ladies and gentlemen. Startup cost is very low, almost $3, in which you can't get a good burger also, okay? And it's a face value credential reputation building system. So get ready to know more about this platform that can make you earn millions in time to come, provided you follow the code of law of this contract and the system. If you're going to apply your brain, definitely you're going to be a failure and the whole work will end in fiasco. But if you're going to follow the system of success, what RainBNB has laid so far, and guided people. Definitely you're going to be a multimillionaire through this system. So how you can start this? You can become a digital entrepreneur in this right BNB, the next gen life changing community building system. What you are supposed to do here, see, it's a web3 based system, so you need to be on web3 platform. You need to have a web3 wallet, and there are several web3 wallets available here, starting from Trust Wallet to MetaMask, Token Pocket, OneKey, SafePal, and many more also. But we strongly recommend firstly the SafePal, followed by OneKey, and of course Token Pocket, MetaMask also. Trust Wallet, from my opinion, it is the last consideration. Okay. Okay, why do we suggest SafePal wallet? Because SafePal wallet is the first wallet that has got its hardware version also, and it enables and makes even a beginners also to use this smart contract of right BNB through Safe Wallet. You can get yourself connected very easily. It has got a lot of other integrated features also within this wallet, like the BNB, the Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange, there is an inbuilt Binance Exchange within the SafePal wallet you are going to download, using which you can really do a lot of activities from swapping, converting coins, tokens, and bridging the different blockchain networks. And it works in a decentralized manner. So if you input your Binance account to log in into your SafePal wallet, all your activities and transactions are not going to be visible and reported to the centralized Binance Exchange. So you are totally safe. You're working within SafePal wallet on the Binance Exchange. That is really going to give you all privileges and leverages to, work, transfer, sell, purchase things in a very, very decentralized manner. So this is the biggest advantage, guys, which I've never ever seen in any other wallet so far. And if it is there, the things are very complicated out there. The startup cost is the biggest USP of this platform. The startup cost is just 0.0044 BNB, just $3. But this is just the gateway and entry cost. If you want to earn through the system, definitely it's a community building platform, ladies and gentlemen. So you have to do some contribution towards this community building. It's a platform called by the people, for the people, and of the people. This is the democratizing way of growing, earning, prospering, getting succeeded. So definitely, if you want to achieve something big here, definitely you have to do some contribution towards this community building. And there are 15 different levels, and corresponding to each level, you can see 15 ranks are mentioned. First level is called the beginner level, through which you enter into the system by paying 0.0044 BNB, equivalent to $3. Every level and the corresponding rank you move into or move on to, you have to pay some upgrade fee. Now, second level rank is called influencer, third is achiever, and along with that, the upgrade amount is mentioned. These upgrade amounts are basic package plus 10% additional, okay, charges. Now, what these additional charges, I'll explain to you. First, understand how to enter into the system. What are the things you're supposed to do here to make profits and benefits from the platform? So first level is the beginner. Second one is influencer, achiever, ambassador, pioneer, mentor, champion, director, titan, icon, legend, emperor, conqueror, chancellor, and praetor. These are the 15 ranks and corresponding levels, guys. Okay, and if you want to make the big profit, brisk profit from the platform, you have to keep your levels always up. You have to keep upgrading to the next level, next level, next level. The sooner you reach to the higher level, the better and bigger profits you make from the system. Okay, it's a community building platform, so you have to do some contribution towards community building. When you join this system, the first requisite is to do 2 direct referral. Recommend this platform to 2 different people. In fact, this is human nature and tendency. Whatever things we like, we do recommend to our near dear ones, known, unknown people also. Like you happen to go to a theater to watch a movie or drama, you liked it, you do talk about that in your neighbors, among your colleague, your friend circle, and when they go there, do they give you any benefit? Do you get any benefit? No, it's a normal tendency. We do recommend, if you have got some good doctor in your locality, you do recommend to your friends, neighbors. If you have got a good chartered accountant or company secretary in your area for business activities, you do recommend to your family, friends, colleagues also. So but these kind of recommendation in real normal life are not giving us any profits and benefits. But if you use that kind of recommendation thing to change someone's life, like you are already here to change your life, definitely it's going to give you big profits. So two people you have to recommend, recruit, or bring into the system to keep earning from the platform limitlessly. Okay, so what are the activities you're supposed to do? So when you join this platform, you have to refer two people minimum. That's a mandatory condition. There are 6 ways you can earn from the platform. The first one is the referral bonus, recurring level bonus. Second one, direct income. Third one, rank upgrade. Fourth one, royalty and lifestyle reward. Fifth and sixth, respectively. Now let's understand each 6 of these one by one to know how much we can make from the platform. The first one is the referral bonus, which is flat 10%. When you refer the system to anyone, okay, and that person joins, then you get 10% on the package value that person is going to buy from the system. Okay, 10% of the package value. If you are a beginner package holder, 0.0044 BNB, and if you introduce beginner, then you will get 10% of the basic package cost here straight away. And that person is going to upgrade to the next level and next level and next level. You are eligible to earn 10% on those upgrades, provided your own level is at least influencer and above. If you're a beginner package holder, then you just continue to earn one-time flat 10% on the beginner package amount, irrespective of the fact the person whom you have introduced into the system is going to upgrade for the higher packages also. So in order to get referral bonus on all the packages your people are going to buy or upgrade at a later stage or in one go on the same very day, you have to have your own rank, at least influencer, second level rank, which is just costing $5. No big deal here. So referral bonus is the first income from the platform. Going forward, second income is the biggest income. It is proving to be recurring level bonus. And this is amazing income. So first level people, your own directs are supposed to be placed at first level. You can refer as many directs as you can. Minimum 2 directs are compulsory, but you can refer as many as you can manage to do so. So these are the first level people. Now from second level to 15th level in your own genealogy, in your own community tree that is going to be built up and developed through your direct referrals and further their direct referrals, subsequently their direct referrals till 15 levels, you are going to be paid 1.5% of the package value your team members are buying or subscribing for. Okay, this is interesting. But in order to receive recurring level bonus from level 2 to level 15, ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand there are 2 terms and conditions here, criteria. The first one is that if you're a beginner, then you are just earning 1.5% on beginner package of your community members. And in order to do that, you should have 2 direct referrals with at least beginner rank. But in order to get earning from level number 2 to level number 15 within your actual My Team genealogy, you need to have at least 2 of your direct referrals with influencer ranks. First criteria is this. And second one is that you are going to be paid up till your maximum achieved rank from your community members from layer 2 to level 15 or layer 15. So understand this. So if you are a mentor, you are going to be paid till mentor package upgradation, provided you have 2 directs with influencer rank at least. So recurring level bonus is turning out to be a good income for most of our community members because we are getting paid again and again to get a maximum gain from all people who are being a part of our system to the tune of 1.5% from level 2 to level 15. And this is interesting. This is giving people the raining of BNB. BNB is really entering into people's wallet just like there is a rain happening outside. Okay, so recurring level bonus. I'll explain to you about this through whiteboard also. First, understand the basic thing. Then moving forward, the third income, the father of all income. Sorry, fourth income is that direct income. Third income is the one-time income. That is, when you refer direct people, you are entitled to get 69% of the beginner package basic cost, which is 69% of 0.004, which is going to be 0.200276. So you are getting 10% referral bonus on beginner package and 69%, direct income on the beginner package. Okay. You can refer as many directs as you can, and you are earning 69% of every direct on basic package beginner cost 0.004, which is going to come 0.00276. Okay, so this is the direct income, one-time income. Then the biggest income here on the system is the fourth income, which is rank upgrade bonus. This is really huge income, and a lot of people have collected and earned so many BNBs from rank upgrade bonus. Rank upgrade bonus are going to be paid to all the users and community members from level 2 to level 15. In order to be paid the rank upgrade bonus from various levels, you need to have the criteria: 2 minimum directs, either with beginner or any other rank. And secondly, your rank upgradation is important. And if you want to earn from level 2, then you should be minimum achieving influencer rank. If you need to be paid from your level 3 people, you need to have at least the achiever rank. If you need to be paid from ninth level people, you need to have your rank at least Titan. So likewise, now let's understand rank upgrade bonus and recurring level bonus. Shared with you that at your level 2, there are only going to be 4 people. When you refer your 2 people, you upgrade to influencer. You have got sufficient fund now, and the unlocking of your second level income to receive from these 4 people. When these 4 people are going to upgrade for the influencer rank, they will be paying you this fund, all 4 of them. And that's how you're going to have this amount altogether. And then you upgrade to the third level. When you upgrade to the third level achiever rank, you are going to unlock your third level for yourself to earn the income from the 8 people lying at your level 3. And this upgrade fee will go to your third level upline. Remember one thing here: when you upgrade for a certain level or rank, the fund you pay to the smart contract goes straight away to the same level upline for which you made the upgradation. Second level upgrade from your side will go to the second level upline. Third level upgrade you are going to make or do will be given to your third level upline. Sixth level upgrade mentor you are going to do will go to your sixth level upline. That's how the system is working here. So remember one thing here: you are just going to pay for every rank or level upgradation once. But remember, the rank upgrade bonus, the smart contract is going to pay you multiple times, several times for those rank upgrades, what you have already done through different people within your community tree. So 4 people are going to pay you the second level influencer rank. The 8 people are going to pay you the third level achiever rank. And when these 8 people pay you, you have sufficient funds to upgrade to level 4. Level 4, when you upgrade, the fund goes to your fourth level upline, leaving this kind of profit, which is there on the last column. And that is going to unlock your fourth level, which will have 16 people, all when they will be upgrading to ambassador, as and when, one by one, all together, they all are going to give you 0.016 BNB, which will give you 0.26 BNB, and you have the funds to upgrade using this fund only to 5th rank, and you will be left this profit. So that's how the system keeps on working for you. You have the option to keep upgrading from the earned money, which you are making from your community members. And they are also going to, when upgrade, they will be going to pay you. Your 6th level people, when they upgrade to mentor, 64 people will be like this. And you are going to receive payment from 64 people's 0.0662, which will give you 4.23 BNB, and you can upgrade for 7th level, leaving you the profit hooping 4.028 BNB. 7th rank, 128 people, when they upgrade for champion, going to pay you 0.132 BNB. and you are going to accumulate 16.95 BNB. Guys, this process is going to be duplicated at every level. You will find the number of people are getting double, along with the profits you're going to earn from them at next level is going to be also double. 0.008 here, second level, third level, fourth level, 0.016, 0.033. So people are also going to be double at next level, next level, next level, and profit you're going to make also going to be duplicate, doubled here from those people you're going to earn. So if you see this chart, from 15 ranks, you're going to have 65,532 people who all are going to give you, 1.4 million approximately BNBs. One BNB is almost $700. You can calculate, how many millions you're going to get in terms of dollars here. It's really, really insane, unbelievable, unthinkable kind of funds one can receive working on this platform only through rank upgrade bonus. Other incomes are separate, but a lot of people don't believe and trust this kind of thing, though it's a very simple mathematical calculation. Whosoever joined RainBNB, just bring in two people into the system and keeps upgrading. Two people means two good people who are in, always ready to duplicate the process, to bring in two people further, to bring in two people later on. Everyone is going to introduce two good people, and this process is going to be duplicated till your 15 levels, and at the same time they are upgrading their ranks. Okay, so this is the calculation. But even though for majority people, they don't trust and believe this kind of calculation to happen, but I do believe this. If you are not going to believe, then anything in life, that thing is never going to happen to your life. So if you have that belief, definitely to some way or other, you are going to make something or out of it. And I always tell people, forget about this over 1.4 million. If I tell you to earn 1,000 BNB, how much it's going to be? People have already made in 5 months over 500 BNB, 300 BNB, 200 BNB, 100 BNB, 10 BNB, 50 BNB, which is again a very good sum of money. So even though you earn 100 BNB from the platform, only 100 BNB, which many has already made from the system, even though it's going to give you $70,000 of profit, currently the BNB is almost at around $700. Okay, so and in next 1 year, 2 years, you will find the BNB to be skyrocketing price wise. So if it becomes $1,500, $2,100, you can imagine if you hold these number of BNBs, how much you can multiply your wealth only through the rank upgrade bonus. But trust me, people are going to make thousands of BNBs in time to come from this platform, provided they follow the system and they are interested to work and give their disciplined and focused approach towards the platform. So this is the fourth income. Moving forward here, rank upgrade bonus is really going to give you very good money, and people are really monetizing in a big way. So the fifth income is the royalty income. Royalty is again a very good income. The top 6 ranks are the royalty ranks called Icon, Legend, Emperor, Conqueror, Chancellor, Creator. If you happen to achieve any one of these 6 ranks, you are going to receive royalty on the top achieved rank. And 3.5% fund allocation have been done here. From all the transaction, the smart contract receives in 24 hours, the 3.5% funds being deducted, and 1% each go to Icon and Legion rank royalty pool, 0.6% goes to Emperor, 0.4% goes to Conqueror, 0.3 and 0.2% goes to Chancellor and Creator pool fund. And the total fund that is getting collected in every 24 hours going to be divided by the number of qualifiers in the so-called rank royalty pool, and the equal amount of fund in the form of BNB people are going to receive. Here, in order to receive royalty, every day you must attain any one of these 6 rank. First criteria. Second, you should have 2 direct referrals, at least with beginner rank. Thirdly, you are going to be paid royalty only of the top rank. Fourthly, you are going to be paid royalty until you earn from all source of income 2 times of your package cost. So if you earn double of what you have invested or of your package price, definitely you will be out from that royalty, and then you can enter into another rank to keep receiving royalty again in the same way and format. So royalty distribution is again a very good income. Remember guys, you are going to be paid in BNB, and BNB, if you receive 6, 12, 24, whatever the BNB only through royalty, you can imagine what kind of income. If you hold these BNB and preserve it, it could be for you when BNB appreciates in future. So royalty distribution is a passive income also for many people. Just invest your money and receive these ranks, do two direct referrals, keep getting royalty every day. Okay, after royalty income, there is another income called lifestyle rewards, and a lot of Prime Club achievers are so happy today. They have received $275 each in Prime Club. Today was the first closing of Prime Club. Just imagine, people have really received a good amount of money in Prime Club. There are 5 clubs under this lifestyle rewards. There are different qualification criteria, and the funds allocated from the transactions have been mentioned on the top right against the name of the club. You can say Prime Club 0.5% goes to Elite Club, again 0.5% goes to into Royal Club, 0.2% allocation. Crown and Supreme Club have 0.15 allocation from all the registrations and upgradations. Now, in order to receive the Prime Club achievement, your own rank director, it should be, and you must have your 5 direct new referrals after 16th of January 2025 with 5 champion rank at least for you to get this income weekly. If lifestyle rewards are being paid on weekly basis to all the qualifiers and achievers. Elite Club, luxury funds, $25,000. Here, one thing you notice that the $3,000 is the maximum earning. The moment you will receive this fund, you will receive the fund into the BNB, and equivalent amount of dollar will be fixed into your dashboard. So today the people have earned 0.39 BNB, corresponding to the current BNB price at that point of time was almost equal to the value $275. So they will keep receiving this fund until $3,000. Elite Club Luxury Fund, $25,000. You are going to be paid every week up till you receive $25,000. Your own rank should be Conqueror, and 3 direct referrals under you, first level, should be achieving Emperor rank, will entitle you to earn weekly profits through Elite Club. Royal Club, car fund, it's called, $50,000 is the maximum profit one can make. Self rank, Chancellor rank, and 5 Conqueror in your direct referrals at your first level. Royal Club achievement you will make. Crown Club and Supreme Club House and Villa Fund, $1,000 and $100,000 and $500,000 are the 2 maximum capping earning here. Both self rank should be creator rank, and your first level 7 Chancellor direct referrals for Crown Club and 10 creator first level direct referrals for Supreme Club. So these are the 5 clubs. These are the weekly payments people are going to receive. And the good thing is this, everyone has a equal opportunity to participate and qualify for all the clubs and keep earning every week from all the clubs simultaneously. Okay, unlike royalty, which is going to be paid you only for the one rank, the top rank, existing rank you hold, Prime Club, Elite Club, Royal Club, Crown Club, Supreme Club, if you enter, you will keep receiving lifestyle rewards from all the clubs. Why you should do RainBNB? There are plenty of reasons, ladies and gentlemen, here. It's the only concept in the domain of community building on blockchain, smart contract based, which is fully decentralized, no central authority to command and control, 100% ownership free program. The ownership lies in the hands of community members, blockchain based system, long-term sustainable system, absolute trust and transparency, and 100% instant withdrawal system instantly. No holding of funds in the smart contract, immutable system, no changes, nothing could be done here. Zero risk and liability free platform credentials building as well. And the biggest advantage is being on OPBNB blockchain, which is the soul and backbone of this system, is its almost negligible gas fee associated with every transaction we really do on this blockchain. RainBNB's future roadmap projects really make it more interesting in time to come, because the creators have announced on 7th August 2024 only, when they will be happy and satisfied with the ample number of community members across the world. They are going to further introduce various other projects, gaming token, gaming projects, RainBNB's own blockchain network as well, exchange, trading bots and Web3 based projects. And the good thing again for these projects, our genealogy, our community tree are going to remain same here. So you don't have to build your team or community again and again. We all know, guys, here that community is our strength. For corporates tech giant like Google, Facebook, Amazon, why they are minting, mining so much, million, billion dollars profits every year because of the community they have built up in last few years. So if you are going to have your community, definitely you are going to monetize in a big way from this upcoming projects of Right BNB, because it is said that your network is directly proportional to your net worth or vice versa. Okay, so that's it.